birds are up 90% of the time. We don't know the first thing about them. And so we glean this information from people like your good selves. Obviously, at any time, you can adopt those birds if you want to.
So are the birds
Sorry,
that
I'm
you've
just gonna
got,
watch
are
it
you
first.
get for pets?
Most of them, yes.
Yeah.
Nigel, one of the other managers wanted Nigel to pick a bird from Portsmouth. And the gentleman that was involved was very ill. When they got there was a lot of cars outside the house.
Oh, sorry.
Nigel,
Yeah.
Nigel knocked on the door and he says, I've come to pick up, what was his name? Whatever his name was. It was an African grey. And the young girl was obviously in distress. And she says, Dad's just died. And what they'd done, in the bedroom where he was, they put the parrot next to him. Now, the room wasn't very big. There was a bed and this big cage in there. And they had to dismantle, they had to take the bird out, put the bird in one of the carry cages, put it in the car, and then they had to dismantle the bed while this man was lying dead there. So Nigel was called the Undertaker then. He was the Undertaker for Parrot.